Good morning, children. This is your Prasan sir. How are you, children? I hope all are fine at home. See, children, today I felt very happy to teach 5th class social studies. Before starting the lessons, I will explain textbook index box. Okay, children? See, there are 19 lessons in 5th class social studies. The first lesson name is Know Your Planet. Second lesson, Parallels and Meridians. Third lesson, Movements of the Earth. Fourth lesson, Major Landforms. Fifth lesson, Weather and Climate. Sixth lesson, The Land of Dense Forest. Seventh lesson, The Land of Snow. Seventh lesson, The Land of Snow. Eighth lesson, The Land of Sand. The Land of Sand. Ninth lesson, The Treeless Grasslands. Ninth lesson, The Treeless Grassland. 10th lesson, Environmental Pollution. Environmental Pollution. 11th lesson, E for Environment. E for Environment. 12th lesson, Natural Disasters. 13th lesson, Let Us Meet. 14th lesson, The World from 1914 to 1945. 15th lesson, Towards Freedom. 16th lesson, India Wins Freedom. India Wins Freedom. 17th lesson, Transport and Communication. Transport and Communication. 18th lesson, Governing Ourselves. Governing Ourselves. 19th lesson, The United Nations. The United Nations. These are total 19 lessons in our 5th class textbook. Today I am going to start first lesson of 5th class. Listen carefully, children. I already sent the textbook PDF yesterday. I think all are download it. Okay, open the textbook. Let us start the yes, children. Let us start the lesson. I hope all are listening. See, what is this? Our planet. Our planet means Earth. Know your planet. In this lesson, we learn Earth, continents and oceans, Earth shape, its model globe. Children, in the previous class already we learned about the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Which is our planet? Earth. Earth is a unique planet. Earth is a unique planet. What is the reason? It has water and air. That is the reason it is called unique planet. The life is possible on the earth because it has water and air. Water and air. Yes, see, there are 2 things on the earth's surface. First one is land masses. The large land masses are called continents. Second one is oceans. The large water bodies are called oceans. See, there are 7 continents on the earth. First one, North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia and Antarctica. And 5 oceans. First one is Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean. See, and last one, Antarctic Ocean. Here one real fact, important fact, interesting fact. That is Indian Ocean is the only one ocean is named after the country. That country is India. Shape of the earth. Next, shape of the earth. In the early times, the people believed the shape of the earth is flat and it has steep edges. Edges means ending points. After some years after, the Portuguese sailor Ferdinand Magellan, he sailed around the world. He sailed around the world and proved the shape of the earth is round. He sailed around the world. Finally, he proved the shape of the earth is round Children, after that, pictures taken from the space. I have also proved the shape of the earth is spherical in shape. Spherical in shape. Spherical in shape means it is not perfectly round. It slightly flattened at the top and bottom. As children, next, globe, a model of the earth. Model of the earth, globe. See, a globe is a model of the earth. A globe is a model of the earth. Okay, children, it shows all water bodies and land masses, and it is distribution of land and water. We will show land and water on the globe. See, this globe. What is this? Globe. We cannot see at one time on one part of the globe. We rotate the globe, we can see all parts. Okay, children? Yes, we cannot always carry the globe around because of its large size. A globe is too small to get actual size and area, and all the details of your place cannot be shown on it clearly. Okay, children? We cannot see at one time. A globe cannot be made for a small part of the earth. That is, it is not possible to show a district or a city on a globe. Is it possible? No. We cannot see whole earth at the time. Highest portion of the earth can be seen at a time. Only one part. Thank you, children. We will continue the lesson in the next video.